Eric grows up with two very different father figures. His biological father, the poor dad, is highly educated, values job security, and believes in working hard for a steady paycheck. The rich dad, his friend's father and mentor, has a very different philosophy: financial education, investing, and making money work for him. This scenario is exactly the experience Robert T. Kiyosaki had. In Rich Dad, Poor Dad, he tells the story of growing up with these two very different father figures. His poor dad emphasizes stability, saving, and avoiding risk. Rich Dad stresses financial literacy, taking calculated risks, and making money work for him. Kiyosaki uses these contrasts to illustrate that financial freedom isn't about how much you earn, it's about how you think about money. From his rich dad, Eric learns that schools teach how to work for money, but rarely how to make money work for you. Understanding assets, liabilities, cash flow, and investment opportunities is essential. Owning a small business, investing in real estate, and understanding taxes are key ways to grow wealth. Rich Dad advises Eric to acquire income-generating assets, rental properties, stocks, businesses, instead of accumulating liabilities disguised as luxuries like expensive cars or gadgets. Eric begins to see that creating systems that earn money while you sleep is more powerful than simply relying on a paycheck. Risk, Eric learns, isn't something to fear, but to understand. Rich Dad stresses that the difference between the wealthy and the poor isn't intelligence, it's mindset. The financially savvy embrace risk intelligently, constantly learning and adjusting. The rich don't work for money, they make money work for them. Another critical lesson is how fear and cynicism hold people back. Eric notices that his poor dad often worries about making mistakes or losing money, whereas Rich Dad sees setbacks as learning experiences. Mistakes aren't failure, they are education. Financial success comes from deliberate action, consistent learning, and embracing challenges rather than avoiding them. Wealth is a skill, something anyone can develop. By observing these two paths, Eric understands that financial freedom is a journey of mindset, knowledge, and action. Kiyosaki's principles, investing wisely, understanding money, taking calculated risks, and thinking creatively, provide a roadmap to success. Anyone can follow these steps, but only those willing to challenge conventional thinking, prioritize learning over comfort, and act intentionally will thrive. Rich Dad, Poor Dad teaches a mindset for taking control of your financial future and understanding that true wealth comes from knowledge, courage, and smart choices, not just a high-paying job or conventional security.